We are at SpaceCom 2015, speaking with Tim Shinbara, the Vice President of Manufacturing Technology at AMT. We are speaking with Tim Shinbara, the VP of Manufacturing Technology at AMT. Tim, could you tell us how close are we to being able to manufacture in space, and what are the limitations?
Sure, Crystal. First off, thanks for having me. I wish I could say it was tomorrow, but we're just not there yet. It's in the years, probably time frame, if not closer to 10 years. There's a lot going into that about what materials even work to be manufactured in space in that kind of environment, plus the know-how of how to get things there and then effectively do things to those parts once you're in space. So I wish I could say it was tomorrow, but this could be closer, I think, about 10 years.
Oh, okay. And what benefit does SpaceCom have on your industry? Could that shorten the time frame at all?
I'm glad you asked. I think it could. I say 10 years to kind of spark some debate. One thing that we've noticed in our industry, manufacturing technology, is the closer manufacturing walks with the design community and the vertical application like space community, those problems are found out sooner rather than later. That's the kind of innovation you need, lockstep with the designer plus the producer, the manufacturer. And I think a place like SpaceCom brings them together sooner rather than later.
Absolutely. It's been fantastic.
Yes.
And also, could you just share some examples of tech transfer already impacting your industry?
Yeah, absolutely. We've done a lot in the composite manufacturing technology world, and we had a speaker yesterday, Mr. Nick Bullen, who talked about some of the space applications trying to do composite layups for cryogenic tanks that made their way in and out of aerospace, into space, and then back out, now working its way into automotive, especially for things like Formula One and even NASCAR in some cases. So there are opportunities. I think there's more opportunities where you get the high fidelity technology requirements, things like biomedical. That would drive some of those manufacturing technologies to go meet what space has today.
Fantastic. Partnership plays a key role these days in advancing technology. Well, do you have any final thoughts for us about your industry or just about SpaceCom in general?
Yes, I do. You know, it's an interesting time if you watch the hype curve of media with things like additive manufacturing, 3D printing, and even composites still. What's so nice as the closing thought here is that SpaceCom puts some tangible value to the talk. A lot of talking heads, but this is where the action really happens, when people start to collaborate together in a place like this that SpaceCom enables.